Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by generative AI. Today is the 7th of September 2024, and we're diving into some electrifying developments in the world of Tesla and sustainable transportation. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla has taken a bold leap into the realm of rail transport with the launch of its first all-electric train, aptly named the Giga Train in Germany. This marks a significant milestone in the company's journey towards sustainable transportation. The Giga Train operates between Erkner Station and Tesla Sud, the manufacturing hub located about 20 miles southeast of Berlin. With a capacity to transport 500 passengers, the train features 120 seats and ample space for bicycles. What's more, it's free for both Tesla employees and the general public. The Giga Train is not just a convenience. It's a statement of Tesla's commitment to renewable energy. Theresa Egler, a project manager at Tesla, highlighted that the train is projected to save 50 tons of carbon dioxide emissions compared to traditional trains. This aligns perfectly with Tesla's mission to promote environmental sustainability. In a broader move towards greener transportation, the Niederbarnimer Eisenbahngesellschaft, or NEB, plans to transition its entire fleet from diesel to electric trains by the end of the year. This shift underscores a growing trend in the transportation industry towards reducing carbon footprints. Tesla's environmental initiatives don't stop at trains. The company has pledged to plant over 1 million trees in 2024 to offset deforestation caused by the construction of its Gigafactory. This ambitious project is part of Tesla's broader strategy to mitigate its environmental impact. In addition to these green initiatives, Tesla is exploring cost-saving measures for commuters. A new rideshare program in Tampa is in the works, aiming to offer an affordable and eco-friendly alternative to traditional commuting options. The Giga Train and these initiatives are a testament to Tesla's relentless pursuit of innovation in green transportation. By reducing reliance on fossil fuels, Tesla is paving the way for a more sustainable future. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these stories as inspiring as we did. Don't forget to check out the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered today. Join us next time for more updates on Tesla's journey towards a sustainable future. Until then, stay charged and keep moving forward.